So, I turned my toolbox into a fabrication shop, a small fab shop, and I'm going to show you what I did to actually utilize time when I'm around the RV, so that way I can kill two birds in one stone. When I'm working on different prototypes and different ideas, I can actually lay some things out. I'm going to show you what I did, and maybe this might can help you, and you can use your toolbox. So, as you see, this is my toolbox. I can put this on the truck, or I keep it at the RV. So right now I got a smaller one, so I keep this one at the house at the moment. So when I'm here, I like to use it. So a lot of times I open it up. I got a little station here where I can sit. Hey, how you doing?
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, my brother.
Hey, same to you. You finna put them in?
Yeah, but it's that couple from Canada.
Oh, okay. Well, make sure you holler at me before you leave.
I will.
Okay, great. Be safe.
You too.
That's a friend of mine right there, RV. Good guy, man. I met when I first moved to Phoenix. Great guy. So hopefully I get a chance to go hang out with him and his wife here in a minute. Good guy, man. You know what? It always surprises me who you meet when you're traveling, man. You meet some good people. And some of the people that you meet are going to be people that you'll probably think, oh, this dude probably be an asshole, or this dude might be this. But you got to give people a chance. So, needless to say, this is what I got going. Once I open up my box, I got my brace support. So this one is actually 29 inches long. So I keep this bar in there, and I got a little clip that I made to it. I'm gonna show it to you. So, and it's a regular piece of angle, but it's a 1/4 inch thick or 3/16. You know, good and firm. And this is my table. As you see, I have some hinges welded. That way the box can still go down. And I got a fab station here where it sits at the bottom. I'm going to get the camera and show it to you up close. And this is it. So when I'm doing fabrication, like I got some targets I'm about to lay out. I built this so that way it could be a jig, and I can set my targets or whatever I'm building. I'm gonna have different jigs to set up on top of the surface. That way I can utilize the space. But I'm gonna give you an up close and personal, so that way you can kind of see what's going on. I know it's kind of hard to see it from back there. So like I say, this is my toolbox fab shop. I guess that's what you can call it. Toolbox fab shop. You see I got a brace under there, and I put these toolbox on wheels so that way I can move it around. But then I can also pop the wheels off. I made a frame for the wheels, so that way when I got it on the truck, it won't be sitting as tall. I can knock them off and just sit it flat down, and still, you know, kill two birds with one stone. So, show you what it look like. I'm gonna drop this. As you see, how I did it. And see, that's your fab table right in front of your toolbox. So you know, you actually killing a few birds with one stone. And you can still lock everything. So, Fabrication 101 with Black Phoenix. Hold on.